Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Hobbies. So I got another strap from Hello Design. So this is a better version. It's from their batch 2 called the Blueberry Pilot. So let's unwrap this and see what we have inside. All right, so we have seen this before. So Hello Design straps come with this leather case, which is really nice touch. So I think I can use it to keep some small watch as well, right? And talking about the strap, so this is the strap. So it has this texture which I liked about the strap. And okay, they have provided pins as well, which is a nice touch. And I think even the clasp is a little more better quality. So overall, this looks worth for what I've paid for. Okay, but what is missing was here there was some other text written in the other strap, but here there is hello printed and it is black inside, which is nice. All right, so let's put it on our watch and see how it looks. All right, so this is the current strap that this watch is on. This is done by Mohammed Anas. So this strap is nice, really good. But I thought, I to match the watch, you know, the bezel and these subdials and all. I thought I'll give it a blue uh, touch. So let's see how it looks after I change the strap. All right, that strap is off, and I'll put this on. Okay, so the strap is set on the watch, and let's put it on the wrist and see how it looks. So the texture is what I bought this for. This is a little different from my usual strap, so I wanted something different. So that's the reason. All right, so this is how it looks. The strap quality is nice. So and oh, okay. I can see that there is. I didn't check this before I put it on, but I can see that this is an actually an adjustable. It's easy to take it off and on and off. There is this thing here which I can easily use to put it on and off. So that part I missed, but anyways, overall I'm happy with this what I got. So that's a nice touch. So this, I think, in batch 2 they have improved the strap overall. So that's nice. You can see in daylight how the strap really looks. I think this one matches my watch more than the previous one. Let me know what you guys think in comments. And overall, if I'm paying extra, I want something unique. So this strap has that factor. So I think I like it, and this is gonna be a keeper. So let me know what you guys think, and please leave your feedback in comments on how I can improve this video. And do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.